Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello innovators, in this video we are going to learn about the Edusoft Magic Board coding app. In order to work with your Magic Board, you will be using a coding app. This app will allow you to build, give instructions and control robot models connected to the Magic Board. It allows you to use block coding by joining blocks together to make the robot work. It also allows you to use Python coding. This app allows you to work with your Magic Board efficiently and effectively. Some use cases of this app are make the robot move forward, backward, turn, or stop, control lights, sound, and use sensors. It helps students learn coding step by step. How to download and install the app? In order to download and install the app, go to the link shown on the screen or provided in the description. Once the link is open, click on the Download for Windows button to download the app. After downloading, double-click on the file, click on More Info, click on Run Anyway to install. The Magic Board app should look like this.